These shoes right here are the best Adidas sneakers for 2019. What's going on, everyone? My name's Roscoe and welcome to the channel. I am super excited. I got my hands on a pair and I cannot wait to take a look at these shoes. Adidas in 2019, it wasn't their best year. I mean, they had some decent sneakers, but nothing that was a must grab until these came out. They had decent shoes, but their collaborations were sort of lackluster. Bape, Adidas UltraBOOST, I mean, that was a good collaboration. I like those shoes. But other than that, man, I felt like they just didn't have that great of a year in 2019. But these shoes in particular, I think are the best for Adidas. Now, it came out in two colorways. The first colorway was a white pair, and they dropped earlier, I believe towards the end of the summertime, and then I saw this colorway. Now I believe this one was supposed to be a friends and family, but they decided to release to the public on Black Friday. I was going for these 1000%. They didn't load up on their website, Nice Kicks, and it was sold out instantly. Like, I felt like they didn't even drop it online. One of you guys out there in the community who lives near a Nice Kicks store waited in the line and actually caught me a pair, so you know who you are. Shout out to you. This is the Nice Kicks Adidas collaboration that's inspired by Woodstock. This is the Woodstock 50th anniversary, so that's why you see this kind of, they went all out on the box. Like, they went crazy on this collaboration. Like, this is awesome. Like, this is what I like. This is what I look for. Go out there and they do like a special box, and they have like all this types of clothing to match your sneakers. Like, they go all out for it. They had t-shirts, sweatshirts, long sleeves, shorts. Ended up picking up a t-shirt, and these t-shirts are pretty absolutely wild and crazy. Super tie-dye, which I absolutely love. Again, it's Woodstock. We're in the hippie movement, but it says don't eat the brown acid. So don't eat the brown acid, if you know Woodstock. And then they have the Woodstock 50th anniversary with the Nice Kicks logo. Absolutely really cool. This is a size large. It fits pretty oversized. Definitely awesome. Good quality tee. Here we go. Take a look at the box. Now this is like a tin. Hear that? This is insane. Just says Nice Kicks, but then you have all around the tin box has the Adidas 3 stripes, which is pretty cool. On the bottom it says the ENCORE. Now this is the UltraBOOST Woodstock collaboration in black. The size in UltraBOOST, for me, that's a size 11.5. Now the retail price for these were just $200. It's like these nice locks, too. Look at that. Woof. And then you open it up, and on the inside it's grass, like you're in the lawn. And it says be nice. Be nice. And here are the sneakers, man. Woo! These are so fire. Let me take these both out. They do come with extra set of laces. It comes with a pair of red and a pair of white laces. I'm gonna leave those in the box. So these are the Adidas UltraBOOST with Nice Kicks. And this is just super tie-dye out. These shoes pop. What made me want to get these is that I saw the white pair at SneakerCon when someone was wearing it. It was on feet, and these things look awesome. Like, you can spot this shoe from a mile away. It immediately drew me to them. Like, I'm not a big UltraBOOST fan. Like, for me right now, the only ones I still have were the original, the OG UltraBOOST. I picked that one up. I have the Bape UltraBOOST, and then I had the Eddie Hong. I only have a few pairs. I've been slowly trying to get rid of them because I end up just wearing them for working out or just doing daily errands. But these ones are really nice. Like, I think I'm gonna hold these and wait till the summertime because I think these are gonna be an awesome summertime kick. It's kind of weird that they dropped in December. Again, if you live out in LA, you live out on the West Coast, I mean, what is it, like 60 degrees out there, so you guys are still out in shorts. Quality and the detail is awesome. This tie-dye design on the toe box is really nice. Like, I love the orange, yellow, and the nice blue and green that goes right above it, like on the top. Like, if you look down on these, like just looking staring down, they look awesome on feet, man. This has to be the best Adidas sneaker for 2019. Let me know down in the comments what you think is the best Adidas sneaker for 2019. Let's quickly check what resale is. I haven't really checked in a while. UltraBOOST Nice Kicks. Oh wow, crap. The small size is about $365 in some of the really small sizes. Normal size is about $250. It's not too bad. You're still making profit. It's all over the place as far as resale on these. It looks like it's spread around $250 to $350, and then the small size is a lot more. I can definitely see these keep going up in value. If these dropped like back in the day when UltraBOOST was at its peak, these would be like $600. These are definitely dope. Let me know down in the comments, and then let me take a look at the insole. Does the insole come out easily? Yeah, they do. Even on the insoles, they went all out. They kind of just did the logo on both of them. It says the Woodstock, and then it has the rooster with the guitar. Really, really dope sneaker. Super excited to have these. Man, let me know. Let me know down in the comments what your overall opinion is. Is this a cop or a drop? But man, I think these are fire. That is my video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.